you know that God's name is actually written in our DNA? When you think of a masterpiece, there's always the artist's signature somewhere, right? Well, get ready for this jaw-dropping experience. A group of American researchers discovered a strange and consistent numerical pattern in our DNA, 10565. Curious, they decided to replace these numbers with letters from the Hebrew alphabet. And guess what? The sequence spelled out Yod-Heh-Wah-Heh, which, when translated, becomes Yahweh. That's right, Yahweh, the Hebrew name for God. This suggests that, in a way, the human body with its 37 trillion cells may be carrying the literal signature of God. Just think, every cell you have from your bones to your skin may contain a mark of the divine. So what do you think? Crazy coincidence or a sign? If this moved you, go ahead and comment. God is good at honoring this incredible discovery. So click share and click more to spread the word.